How to live stream using OBS Studio for beginners. First of all, you need to go to obsproject.com, download OBS. If you're using Windows, click on Windows. If you're using Mac, click on Mac. Go ahead and click and install. It's gonna be super easy. Once you're done,
Yes, hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, hello. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much for the patience. I'm having an echo. Thank you so much for the patience. I'm having an echo. Thank you so much. Hello. Well, actually, today I would like to thank everyone who has been patient, because our studio today has got some issues. We are doing a few setups. And I believe everything is going to be okay by the end of this week. So before we start the class for today, let us try to like this video such that it gets a high reach in the search algorithm. So for today, like you have seen the title, today we are going to learn how to set a home page. In most cases, when we are designing our websites, most especially in WordPress, because right now I'm going to be focusing much on WordPress, because in WordPress, when you're designing your website, we use build templates, and for this case I used the theme called Bloxy theme, and I did a video on how to install this WordPress and how to create a simple website in WordPress. So for today, in some cases, you can design your web pages. Like for the case of this, let us try to run this. because this website is on low cost. So this is my website. This website, you find that when I try to run it, it's displaying the page for posts. And for me to view my homepage, I have to click on this tab for home. And in some cases, this is not professional, and it can make your clients disorganized, because in cases whereby your information is difficult for the client to see, that means you will get there are high chances of your company getting low inquiries. So right now, for me to view this page, I have to click on this home page. So this is my home page. This is how it looks like. And like I told you, this home page, I built it in WordPress. And I'm going to be able to take you through the various steps that someone can follow. They are very easy steps, because when it comes to designing websites in WordPress, it is, for me, according to me and the students I've told, they have realized that when you use WordPress, you enjoy the stuff when it comes to designing websites. So for today, as you're able to see, this is my website. It's a tour and travel website, as you can see. And on this tour and travel website, this is my home page. So what I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you how to set this home page. So our topic for today, it is setting a static front page in WordPress to display a custom home page. So if you're out there and you want to learn how to go about this, you can get your cup of coffee. If you have water, why don't you get water such that you walk this walk with me? So okay, I don't want to talk much, because when it comes to website designing, they are practical things. So what you're going to do, first and foremost, what you have to do, you need to, the first procedure, yeah, your first procedure, what you have to do, you have to log into the admin panel. And in most cases, when you log into the admin panel, let me just take you and I show you my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. So when you log into your website, this is how your website looks. The inside, or the administrator part, the dashboard, is going to be looking like. So depending on the type of theme that you have installed, because different themes, they have different features. So for today, we are going to set a static home page. And for us to set this static home page that you're seeing here, first of all, you need to have created it. So if you want to know how to create your static website, it is simple. You just come here on pages, you click on this tab for pages, you click on add new page. So when you click on add new page, this, what I'm doing right now, I'm just doing it for the sake of our brothers who are just joining the live. But I already created my home page, so I don't need it. So after you add here the title, then after you click on what? On publish. When you try to write here something, and when you try to publish this, it's going to be published. But for this case, I don't need this. I was just showing you. So what I want to show you is that you have already created, you have your home page. It is already there. It is created. So once your home page is already created, what you're going to do, by the way, I'm going to show you two different methods on how to set static pages for your home page. And the first method, it is this one. You log into the admin panel. Then after logging into the admin panel, you go ahead and click on what? Appearance. I think we are together. So when you click on appearance, as you're seeing, you go ahead and click on what? Customize. When you click on customize, it's going to load this interface. So under here, you're going to scroll. You scroll, then you go to home page settings. So when you click on home page settings, we have here your home page displays. Right now, my home page, it is displaying latest posts. So when you happen to see this, this is what my home page is displaying. But I want my home page to display a static home page. So I'm going to click on this option, a static page. I think we are following. And guys, if you're out there and you're following, I would like to know where you're watching from. Yes. Where are you watching from? Yes. Where are you watching from this video? Let us connect, because if you're a fellow developer, most of the challenges that we face are almost the same. So if we join hands and we share with each other, trust me, we shall be improving on our knowledge and also our networks. So, okay, so after selecting the static page, remember, we want to have something that is nice and appealing like this. Oh my God. What a nice interface. What a nice interface. What a nice interface. I also, I'm admiring it. I am admiring it. I am admiring it. It is 100% responsive for those, because in a few weeks, 1 week time, I'm going to be uploading this website online, and you will be able to access it wherever you are from your comfort zone. Whether you're sleeping, you're taking tea, extra, etc, etc. So, okay, let me not talk too much. Let me show you how to add a static page. So after selecting this option of static page, like I've done, you go ahead on this section where you see home page. That's why I love WordPress. With WordPress, it is enjoyment on enjoyment. No coding, it just saves your life and you just love what you're doing. Okay, so you're going to click on this drop down list like this. One click. When you click on it, as you sync, you're going to go down and click on this tab for home. So when you click on the home tab, I think you're going to see some magic here. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. This is amazing, guys. This is really amazing. This is really amazing. This is really amazing. But all this, it is not inbuilt. I'm the one who fed in this information, who added these images, and also who came up with this nice looking interface. And nowadays, when it comes to designing a website or anything, it is easy because uh, we have a number of uh, templates that we can use. They're for free. So after selecting your page that you want to be able to display on the home page, you go ahead and click on what? On publish. So when I click on publish and I go here, I try to run my website. So let me just go back here. Let me go back. I want to go back to my localhost. This is my localhost. I run this folder that I'm having my website file. Wow. It's loading my beautiful and amazing homepage. I really love it. I just love the flow of information and texture. And my friend who is watching, what I can tell you, if you stick to this channel, you too also, you can design this. It is doable. It is doable. So these are my drop down lists. So guys, for today, actually, this is what I had for you for today. For today, I just wanted to show you how to create this, not creating, setting, someone is able to set a static homepage for his homepage, for his website. And I believe for those who have been online, you have learned something when it comes to setting a static homepage for your website. So I think for today we can call it a day. We can call it a day. And I've been receiving a couple of inquiries of people asking me, Sharif, how can I? This is now off topic. It is not what you have been learning. I think our class has ended, and I would like to thank you, whoever who has been watching. Now, I'm just giving, how should I call it? A bonus. This is a bonus, actually. This is a bonus. People asking me, Sharif, how am I able to create a YouTube channel? How do I get subscribers? What is the right content that I'm supposed to post? What is the good niche that I'm supposed to use? Guys, worry not. I am trying to get some, I'm trying to get for you some write up on how to do these things step by step. And pray for me as I'm praying for you, because these things, they actually need time. They need a lot of time, and trust me, you have projects on high head and you have this, but nevertheless, that is my responsibility. I have to do it. So this is a nice module, as you can see it. So I also want to inform you that in case you have someone who needs to learn this website designing one on one, yeah, I can give you a good mentorship, and by the time, even before finishing, you will be able to make at least 500, the least you can make per month. Yeah, 500 per month. It is doable and it's possible. So for today, let us end here. And just my humble request for those who have been online and those who are going to be watching this video, if you want to learn these things, you have to practice. There is no way you're going to tell me that I know how to do this when you haven't done the practice. So I urge you to get a computer. If you don't have money for a laptop, just buy a desktop. 400 shillings for the case people living in Uganda. Excuse me. It can get for you a computer system that can aid you to make multi-billion projects. So for today, let me sign out, and let me give you the responsibility now to try out what we have been learning today. Be blessed, Sharif, your IT expert. Thank you so much. God bless you.